In this video, I will introduce 5 amenity kits with luxury brands. As we know, the first class and business flights can be pricey, but they are also more than worth it for many travelers. Complimentary wine, food room, and even in-flight beds make top-tier flights a totally different experience than flying coach. One extra perk is the amenity kit, and many airlines offer for business and first-class flights. Some of them are so nice that you may end up flying first class just to get a bag. Here are 5 business and first class amenity kits. The top 5 is EVA Air. Taiwanese carrier EVA Air has unveiled new meals, sleepwear, and amenity kits that is introducing to its onboard service this year. Amenity kits luggage brand Remova and fashion house Salvatore Ferragamo are each behind new amenity kits that Royal Loro and Premium Floral. Passengers on long-haul overnight flights will receive this year. Passengers traveling on flights leaving Taipei will be given a marine color remover kit featuring skincare products, as well as an eye mask, socks, hairbrush, earplugs, dental kit, and microfiber cleaning clothes. The top 4 is KLM. The bag is created by successful Dutch fashion designer Jan de Minier. It contains the essential items for long-haul travel: eye mask, earplugs, comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, and retro sleep balm. The top 3 is Delta. Delta has been handing out Tumi-branded amenity kits to its business class customers since 2013. And just as the airline prepares to launch service on its brand new Airbus, it's rolled out the sleekest sets, and one feature in particular looks so tempting that I love to try out the new hard kit. There are 3 kits on offer. A hard shell kit for Delta One passengers on flights departing the US, a soft cover kit for flights to the US, and a smaller Tumi-branded case for customers traveling in Premium Select, the airline's brand new Premium Economy product. The top 2 is Singapore Airlines. It's easy to be wooed by the luxury soft bedding inside the Singapore Airlines first-class cabin, even more so when the sleeper suite the airlines provide is designed by French fashion house Givenchy. To decide to sleep down your eye mask for a quick peppering sesh, the Swap amenity kit features an arrow of toiletries by Salvatore Ferragamo. For the ladies, this includes Signorina products and perfume, whilst the Accru and Zinziri line is available for men. And the top 1 is Emirates Airline. The charcoal grey leather wash bag has a closed lining within and side compartments for storing loose items. The first class amenity kit for men opens up to review 4 Bulgari Nova products: a dental kit, a true fit and hair shaver and shaving cream, the odorant and wet towel. Bulgari introduced Eau Parfum de Noir in the second half of 2015. The fragrance is created with the aroma of black tea, the Perfumer Jaggers Cabernet, featuring an elegant, deep, and oriental scent. The scent contains notes of black tea, the mascaros, tobacco, leather, wood, and wood bark. Waterproof wash bag makes a great toiletry bag after you fly. Reuse it for your next trip. Female passengers in Emirates first-class cabin will get a pale gray leather pouch amenity kit. The zipper comes with a circular broker logo that makes it easy to unzip to remove bag has a closed lining and compartments on one side. So, in a word, women get more appropriate items